Hi everyone, welcome to a new tutorial. So in this video, I'm gonna draw Gear 5 Luffy because one of my subscribers told me this character is getting viral recently, so I decided to draw this. So let's start drawing with the mouth because it's the middlemost thing and bigger than anything. And we just have to draw a moon shape for this. Let's draw this line first. And draw the curve slowly. And just carefully, our moon shape is ready. For the teeth, let's draw a center line dividing it into two, and then another line creating a plus. And now just draw more squares at equal distance. And boom, it's ready. And now let's draw a center line for the rest of features. According to the reference photo, just draw two nostrils in the middle and just above the mouth. Now we have to draw two big circles for the eyes at the ends of the mouth, like this. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let me know who's gonna watch the video till the end by commenting. By the way, I know all of you are gonna watch till the end. Also, if you guys find this tutorial easy, then like the video. And also subscribe to my channel, it's gonna help me a lot in my YouTube journey. And now according to the reference photo, we have to draw the eyebrows just above the eyes. If you guys observe the reference photo clearly, you will find a link and attachment between everything, like I just showed you. It really makes the sketches 80% easy. I hope this trick will help you. Let's draw this tiny cut. Swish, swish, done. And now just gonna complete the nose by connecting it to the eyebrows. And next, we have to draw the jawline. It's just a semicircle around all the features. So draw it carefully and it will be done. And now it's time to draw the hairs, starting from one eyebrow and ending at the other. Perfect. Let's draw the rest of them. Now let's draw the ear equal to the eye and mouth in height. Similarly, draw the next one. There's really a story behind why I started a YouTube channel, and when I will achieve my goal, I will talk about it in detail in any of my video. Like, I will make a special video for it. And the goal is just getting 1 million subscribers on YouTube. That's really a great thing to do, but I literally sacrificed everything just to do that. Enough. I'm drawing the rest of hair now, and shading tutorial is next. To those who are still watching this video, love you for this. And now just putting on the mirror details, and I will draw the rest of body like neck and the shoulders. After completing the sketch, let's do a little bit shading. I'm using a 4B pencil. And now I'm drawing the little scratches all over his face. Time to do the blending. It's a blending stamp for those who don't know. Okay, the sketch is done, and take care of yourself till the next video. Cool, bye bye. Watch the last video if you want to try another anime character.